All right, Jake Pippin here with Sloan Implement / Sloan Express. The sun's out, it's hay season again. We're just finishing up with first cutting, probably gonna be getting into second here in a few weeks. So as you're going through inspecting the damage from first cutting, maybe your baler's missing some teeth, your Moco's missing a couple teeth, your rake, whatever. We have a whole selection of them out here, and this isn't even hardly a fraction of what all we sell as far as different manufacturers, New Holland, Vermeer, Cohen, John Deere. But what we have out here today, we have a Cohen rake tooth. We have Niemeyer rake, left and right hand out here on display. Over on my right, we have the rubber mounted New Idea rake teeth, as well as the Moco teeth. We have also New Holland teeth as well, rubber mounted, the double tooth, the singles. Vermeers, we have the double mounted, rubber mounted teeth. And then for my personal favorite, the Deere round baler teeth, and also Mocos and rake teeth as well. The baler teeth come in a package of 4. They also come with the hardware, the same style hardware as what's on there with the hex head or the hex inset, your washer and your lock nut as well, that you're supposed to be changing every time you change your rake teeth, but we all know most of us don't. But everything's there, comes in a box of 4 to get you back up and going. If you have any questions on anything you see here or any teeth for your specific application, go to sloanex.com and check it out.